pieces are going to go in the frame on the inside of your Z uprights, and this will help keep your bed level when you go to take the screws out from the nut cups on the Z rod after we lower the bed all the way down. So you want to get it, say, 1/8 or 1/4 inch above the tops of these, so you don't run the bed frame into these standoffs right here. So we're going to do the GB3 to the GB3 Plus upgrade here, and what we've done first is home your machine to get it the bed all the way up, and in doing that you can get access to the cable carrier that goes to the bed frame. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take the hardware out here for that. And then I'm also going to take off the Panduit lid and make it where the all your wiring is out. A lot easier to do it now than it is whenever you lower the bed all the way down. So there you have it. You still want everything connected, you just want to initially remove everything. And so you don't lose your hardware, you can take your I believe that they're M5x12 flatheads, and put them right back in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our spacer blocks here, and this groove fits on the inside, on the other side of this Z upright. So LF is left front, and you see that it fits right up underneath the bed frame. Then we're going to have to unplug. We've also unplugged the bot itself. The power is off and it's unplugged. But that has to be unplugged to be able to fit this one in. And you want to make sure that they're sitting down on this rail right there. So LR is not left right, LR is left rear. So all of those are in place. Now with removing the wiring harnesses here, you can move this by hand, move the bed frame by hand. So I'm going to bring it down to basically where it touches the blocks, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And all that's going to do is, whenever we remove our two nut cup screws on both sides, is it's going to have, the bed's not going to be able to fall. So that's what the next piece is. Is to remove the nut cups. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. Now the next thing that we'll do, so we can have access through the sides, is we're going to take off the side panels, because when we put the we're going to remove the whole bed frame with the plate and everything on it, but whenever we put the new side plates on, we're going to have access on the inside of both of the Z uprights. So we need to remove the side panels on both sides for access. Before I fully remove this side panel, you have a left and right side panel, and so it's good to mark which one's which. That way your magic nuts will line up. All but that one that just slipped. Two side panels right here, which is what we're going to need whenever we put on the new side panel, side plate to the bed frame, because you're going to have an extra wheel here and an extra wheel here. So at this point, what I want to do is I want to remove the two front wheels on both sides. And the reason we're doing this is because you've captured the Z uprights with these two wheels with the eccentric. You want to be careful whenever you take these off, so you can try to reuse these screws. There you have it. So before you can take the bed and the bed frame out, one, you have to remove the screw here for the ground wire, and you definitely want to save the screw and the washer for this, so you can put it right back in place. Don't have to screw it in all the way. But then you also want to remove your thermocouple here, and also your bed heater wires here. So now the bed is completely disconnected from the electrical.